Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, have you ever met people from other countries there? Okay, bloody weird. Especially when you go like to the lughaven, the air harbor. No, the airport. Yeah, you get this weird oak with a red beard and a dress sitting next to you saying, right, you come from South Africa. It's bloody dangerous there, innit? There's like lions jumping out of trucks and there's elephants roaming all over the road, bashing cars around. Not really.
Ach my jatta, Susan, can you see that? Look at that beautiful kitty on top of a tractor. I'm sure to use a stress my on its already. Yeah, kitty is bloody beautiful, ne? Excuse me? You can't park there.
Yeah, okay, maybe it's a little bit true. That's because South Africa is bloody wild. And if you want to survive in the wild, you need to run with a right pack. Kit out your bakkie with accessories from Wild Dog Accessories. Making new tracks. Okay, thanks.